Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about different method in Python that deals with the list data type for different specific task or object. So let's go for the first method here, append method. It adds a single element to the list at the last position. So now after creating the list, if you want to add a new element inside it, then append method enable us to do so. By this property of the list, it is also known as the mutable. Second method, extend method. This method add the list of item at the end of the another list. So now if you want to merge two lists or if you want to append element with the help of another list, by using this method we can be do so. Third method, insert method. It adds element at the given index position. As I told you in the previous video, elements are indexed in a particular position, and if you want to add element in a particular index of an element, then you can achieve this by using insert method. In this method, two parameters we have to pass inside its constructor. The first parameter is index position and the second parameter is the value of element. Fourth method, remove. It searches the first occurrence of the given element and removes it. By using this method, we can able to remove an element by passing it as a parameter inside this method. If the duplicate values are there, then the leftmost value of the list will remove. Fifth method, reverse. It reverses the order of a list in place. So now if you want to reverse the element of an existing list, then reverse method enable us to do so. Sixth method, sort. It arranges the element in increasing order. Now if you want to arrange them either in ascending order or either in descending order, by using this method we can do so. Seventh method, clear. If you want to clear all the elements of the list, then this method deals with this object. Now, so in the next video, I will show how this method actually works with the list.